Imagine entering just a blog topic into a form, clicking submit, and then having an automation workflow generate your blog content. Find a relevant image, download that image, upload it to WordPress, create a WordPress post, and finally set the image as the featured image, all automatically. Sounds complicated? Actually, it isn't. In this video, I'm going to show you what n8n is and how you can use n8n to automate a WordPress blog website easily. We'll build and understand a workflow that connects a blog form, AI content generation, Pexels Image Search, WordPress, and featured image automation. By the end of this video, you'll understand how this entire n8n WordPress automation workflow works step by step. So let's get started. First, let's understand what n8n actually is. n8n is a workflow automation platform that allows you to connect different applications, APIs, services, and AI tools together and automate repetitive tasks. Instead of manually performing the same process again and again, you can create a workflow that does those tasks automatically. With n8n WordPress automation, we can connect these different steps into a single workflow. Now let's understand every step. The first node in our workflow is blog form. This is where we provide the input required to generate our blog. We can create a simple form where we provide information such as blog title, focus keyword, and research URL. For example, we could enter title, top AI to use in 2026 for content creation. Focus keyword, AI to use for content creation. Once we submit the form, n8n receives this information and passes it to the next step. The next node is WordPress config. This node is used to prepare the WordPress-related information required later in the workflow. After the configuration is ready, the workflow moves to the most important part, generating the blog content. Now we reach the Generate Blog Post node. This is the AI-powered part of our workflow. The information submitted through the blog form is passed into the AI prompt. The AI can then generate the actual blog article. For an SEO-focused workflow, your prompt should be carefully designed. For example, you could instruct the AI to create a comprehensive SEO-focused blog post using the provided topic and focus keyword. Connected to our AI generation process is the Pexels Image Search step. Pexels provides access to stock images that can be searched through its API. The idea here is simple. Once we know the topic of the blog, we can use a relevant keyword to search for an image. This means we don't have to manually visit an image website every time we create a blog post. The automation can perform the image search for us. And that's where this workflow becomes much more powerful. After finding the appropriate image, the next node is Download Image. This node retrieves the image from the image source and brings it into the n8n workflow. Now we reach the Create WordPress Draft node. This is where our blog post is actually created inside WordPress. The AI-generated content is passed to WordPress along with information such as the title and content. Instead of publishing immediately, our workflow creates the post as a draft. I recommend using a draft-first approach, especially when you're building an AI-powered content automation system. Why? Because automation should assist your publishing process rather than completely remove human quality control. Once the draft is created, you can open WordPress and review the title, introduction, headings, formatting, links, images, SEO optimization, facts and statistics, call to action. You can make any necessary changes before publishing. This is especially important for websites that depend on high-quality, trustworthy content. And that's it. Our blog now has AI-generated content plus WordPress post plus relevant image plus featured image, all created through one automated workflow. So let's quickly go through the entire process one more time. We start with the blog form. We enter our blog topic and SEO requirements. The information goes into WordPress config, where the necessary WordPress information is prepared. Then Generate Blog Post uses AI to create the article. The workflow uses Pexels Image Search to find a relevant image. That image is retrieved through Download Image. Then Upload Featured Image sends the image to our WordPress media library. Next, Create WordPress Draft creates the actual blog post. And finally, Set Featured Image connects the uploaded image to the WordPress post. So one simple workflow can automate a large portion of the WordPress blogging process. However, there's one important thing to remember. Automating your WordPress blog doesn't automatically mean your website will rank higher in Google. Automation is simply the process. Your content still needs to provide genuine value. For SEO, focus on search intent, helpful and original information, strong topical coverage, proper heading structure, natural keyword placement, internal linking, optimized images, good page experience, and most importantly, content that actually solves the user's problem. Don't use AI and n8n simply to generate hundreds of low-quality articles. Instead, use automation to reduce repetitive tasks and give yourself more time to focus on strategy, research, editing, and quality. So that's how you can use n8n to automate a WordPress blog website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.